So this is the official Twice's newest Lightstick, the CANDYBONG Infinity unboxing. Alright, let's go. Okay, so this is a box. I'm gonna try to unbox it now. I'm so excited for this Lightstick. Like I said earlier, I do have version 2, so this is gonna be my second Twice Lightstick. I'm excited to see how it differentiates from version 2. I heard it was lighter and smaller too. And I'm really excited to see like the infinity wheel and see how you like just touch the wheel. Like I think you just tap and spin the wheel and then the colors just change on their own, which is actually so wild because for the CANDYBONG Z, which is basically Twice's like version 2 Lightstick, for the CANDYBONG Z, you had to connect the CANDYBONG to a Bluetooth app. Like you needed to download an application on your phone and connect the CANDYBONG to the app on your phone in order to change the colors. But it was kind of whack, at least for me personally. It kept disconnecting from Bluetooth. I don't know if it was like my phone service or whatever. I would have to like try to connect the CANDYBONG to my phone literally in the middle of the concert because it kept disconnecting. Like it was so annoying. So it's really cool to have a CANDYBONG that doesn't use Bluetooth. That's the thing I'm most excited about for this CANDYBONG, is that you can just tap and the colors change. Like that's kind of wild. Okay, I'm opening it. Okay. All right. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And yeah, in Korea and Japan, the CANDYBONG links to like the actual venue, which is cool. But they didn't do that for the US concert last year, I believe. Not that I knew of. So the first thing we got is some bubble wrap. Woo, bubble wrap. Originally, I was planning to buy it at the concert because I have VIP ticket, which gives me early access to merch. So I was originally going to buy it at the concert, so I didn't have to pay for the shipping. But I realized that they might not sell the CANDYBONG at the concert since they didn't sell the CANDYBONG at the Japan, Korea, or Australia concerts. So I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to risk like going to the concert but and not being able to buy the CANDYBONG if it's not even for sale. So I was like, yeah, I'll just buy it. But I'm glad I bought it now because I have the pre-order benefits. Whoa! So here it is. The CANDYBONG Infinity. It looks like it's blurry, so you think it's like my webcam, right? But the picture's actually blurry. Yeah, it's censored. Yeah, it's literally censored. Wow, look at how nice this looks. Twice CANDYBONG Infinity. Wow. Okay, and then oh, it gives you instructions on how to use it on the back. Let's look at the photo cards first. Woo! Oh my gosh, more photo cards I can add to my photo card collection. Yeah, the box is smaller, I think. It's like thinner. It's taller. See? Okay, we're gonna look at the photo cards now. Yes, it did come with photo cards because I pre-ordered mine. Alright, let's look at them. Yeah, Nayeon. Yeah, Junyeon. Momo, Sana, and they're all holding their respective light sticks. Got Gio, Mina, Dayoung, Jaeyeon, my bias, and Dewey. Yeah, Nayeon and Jungyeon are holding the Twice color light stick. Momo is holding her own light stick color. Sana is holding her own color. Gio's holding the Twice color. Mina's holding her own color. Dayoung's holding the Twice color. Chaeyoung's holding the Twice color. And Dewey's holding her own color. Yeah, I think. I don't know, it looks so white. Like, Dewey's color is supposed to be blue, so maybe she's not holding her own color. It literally just looks white. And here's the back. So now We're gonna move on to the actual Twice light stick, alright? I'm so excited. You open it like this. Wow. Wow. It even has like the infinity sign here. Oh, it comes out like this. Wow. Is there anything here? Wow. So this is the infinity. Oh my god, the light stick! To infinity and beyond. Wow, it's a light stick. Wow. So reflective. Wow. This is what it came in, right? Comes with a little strap. Comes with a little strap. It says Twice on the strap. And then we got a kind of like about how to use a light stick. Front and back. Okay, let me put these batteries in. Alright. Hopefully they're not dead. Okay. Alright. We got some batteries. Hey. Are you guys ready for the grand reveal? Yeah. Concert tip. Always make sure you have extra batteries for the concert. Never go with just 3 batteries, because it's gonna die, for real. Always make sure you bring spare batteries and portable chargers to the concert. So that's a pro concert tip, alright? We got a little, like, protective cover right here that we can peel off. So now you're gonna see the light stick in all of its glory, alright? 1, 2, 3. It didn't work! Oh my god, it worked. Whoa, the infinity effect. It's so bright. How do I make it, oh my god. Oh, whoa. Dude, that is trippy. Whoa. That is trippy. Bro, I've seen pictures of this light stick. The pictures do not do it justice. Whoa. I don't know, it's hard to see. Oh, see, now you can kind of see it, but I just look so dark. Okay. Alright, so I fixed the settings. So you can see the light stick now. I just look really dark because I had to turn off all my lights and change my camera settings. It's okay if you can't see me, but at least you can see the candy bond now, right? You can see the candy bond right now. But look at this infinity effect. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. Oh my god. Like, wow, look at that. Like, it looks cool on screen, but if you look at it in real life, like, it looks so much more different in real life. It looks so different. It literally looks like it stretches on forever. And here's the back. Got a little Twice logo. Got a Twice. So I'm on the lowest brightness setting right now, so if you like turn the wheel in the back, it becomes brighter and dimmer. Whoa, that's really bright. Yeah, so you can adjust the brightness setting like this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. And you can go back and forth too, like this. Do I press this? Oh, this just makes it... Oh, this makes it spin. Yeah, I see. This makes it spin. Like the colors are spinning. Spin setting. So you can change. Oh, you can change it to either counterclockwise or clockwise. That's super cool. Just by spinning the back, you can change the direction of the spin. And the speed? Oh. Yeah, I kind of see that. Yeah, I see it. I see it spinning up. It's going faster. Gotta go fast. Sonic speed. But yeah, this makes it spin. So let's do it again. Oh, look at the member colors. Whoa, look at that. That is so cool. Whoa. Whoa. That's so cool. Staring at it. Wow. We got all the members. All the member colors in here. And they're in order too. It starts with here. This is Nyan, Junhyun, Momo, Sana, Gio, Mina, Dayoung, Chaeyoung, and Zooey. I guess this one is just twice. It's just a twice color. This one's just white. Whoa, look at that. Oh! Wow, that's cool. That's cool. And I guess that just powers it off. So let's try the member colors now. So I believe for the member colors, you just make it back to the member color setting, and then you tap it, and then it should change. So let's try that. This is so cool. I'm like literally in awe right now, guys. So here are the member colors. So I'm gonna tap it. Whoa! It's Nyan! It's Nyan! Okay, here's Nyan. And then I think I tap again, right? Oh, wait! Wait! I did it! I did it! We got Junhyun! We got Junhyun, guys! We did it! We got Junhyun! It's Junhyun! Oh! Okay, okay. I think you have to do a full rotation. I think that's it. Okay, so here's Momo. Oh, I went back to Junhyun. Momo. Sana. Gio. Mina. Dayoung. Chaeyoung. And Zooey. And it goes back to Nyan? Yeah, it goes back to Nyan. Oh, okay, okay, I see. I'll do it with the infinity lights. Here's Nyan. Junhyun. Momo. Sana. Gio. Mina. Dayoung. Chaeyoung. And Zooey. And then it just goes back to Nyan. Wow, this is so cool. Let's see. Oh, and then when you click the button, it just goes back to the normal twice colors. Wow. Wow. Woo. So, I guess those were the 4 like basic stages that we had. So it's this one, where it spins, this one with the member infinity colors, and then the white one again. That's so cool. Alright, but that's a Lightstick review. This is so cool. And I like that it comes with a little strap. I can put it on now, actually. Woo! I got it! Yay! Yay! You can literally see my face in it. It's so reflective. Obviously, the Twice logo. Wow! Dual swords. Dual swords. Yeah. Just put it away like that. It literally just fits like that. Whereas with the other candy bar box, you had to take it apart. You had to take like the bottom section with the batteries and this apart in order to fit it in the box. Like, you literally just put it in the box. You don't even have to unscrew anything. So I like that. I like that much better than the CANDYBONG seed. I definitely see a lot of improvements with this one. There are definitely so many more improvements with this version versus the previous one. One step closer to my Twice Bear Kit experience. Let's go. But yeah, that concludes my Twice CANDYBONG Infinity unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, it's so good! It's so good! I love it so much. I love it so much.